Meaning of fasten.
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 Fasten. Fasten means to secure or attach something firmly in place. This can be done through the use of various methods, such as buckles, buttons, zippers, locks, etc. The result of fastening is that the object becomes stable and is less likely to move or come loose. Fastening is often used in situations where safety or stability is important, such as in construction, transportation, and manufacturing. Properly fastened objects can help prevent accidents and ensure that they function as intended.